Hello YouTube, and today I'm going to tell you how to access the Facebook messages feature and without jailbreaked iPhone. If you are not having the jailbreak, if you are not having a CDA, how you can access the messages in the iPhone. So first of all you have to click on the any browser you use, probably Safari, and here you are going to type touch dot oh sorry touch.facebook.com touch.facebook.com. This is you're gonna type for the whole, and then go to this address and you will be opening with this page, the Facebook page. Your Facebook will be opened after logging into your account, and now just click here on messages tab on the so you clicked on the messages tab, and now you will click on the cancel. So you can see you can access your messages here, and so in this way you can access your messages in an easy way. Thanks for watching my video.